This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6 versus the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845. Both phones have 6 gigs of RAM. And both phones have Android Oreo. Now the OnePlus 6, this one has 8.1 and the S9 Plus has 8.0. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing open in the background, so let's get started by tapping the phone app. Messages, OnePlus 6 again. Camera, ooh, very close on this one. Calculator on both, very similar. Clock on both, and go ahead and start the stopwatch on this. Leave that running in the background. Play Store. Ooh, very close. Go ahead and click on this one and leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. And ooh, maybe the OnePlus 6. Click on this item. Leave it on that page. Baseball app. And give this to the OnePlus 6. NBA app, go. Playoffs right now, and very similar on both, maybe the OnePlus 6, a little bit ahead. Browsing on both phones, Chrome and the Samsung browser. Search for Amazon, let's go. And scroll on this, nice and butter on both phones, so you can see. Full sight. And give this to the OnePlus 6. Pinch to zoom, both are nice and butter. Leave this in the background. Mario Run. Loading on both. And ooh, both basically the same. Tap to begin. And leave this in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Monaco. Loading on both. And OnePlus 6 a little bit ahead, and okay. Weird pop-up here on the right. So you can take this with a grain of salt, tap to play, close it out. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle on this one. Both are loading right now. Oh, which one's out in front? Let's find out. And OnePlus 6, a little bit ahead. Tap to play, close it out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in. Woo! Which one's out in front? Oh! Now I'm gonna call this one a tie. Close this. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Checking out the progress bar and which one's out in front. I think this is another tie, but let's find out. And I'm gonna call this one a tie. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus. And give this win to the S9 Plus. The gram on both phones. Tie and Snapchat. Give this to the OnePlus 6. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Both phones have 6 gigs of RAM. So let's check out the RAM management. This one's still in RAM. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to play. Angry Birds 2, ready to go on both. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, ready to resume as well on both. Mario Run, ready to go. Are both phones gonna run the table? Browsing, same place. NBA app, same place. Baseball app, good to go. eBay. And a little bit of a stutter on both phones. Play Store, good to go. Clock on both. Running the stopwatch in the background on both. Calculator, same place. Nice and butter. Camera on both. Woo! So fast. Messaging on both. Still in the same place. The phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9 and the S9 Plus, Note 8, S8 or S8 Plus, these phones having alien tech, or are you about to bang for a buck with Team OnePlus? Pretty good specs for essentially half the price of some of these other phones. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.